Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a light, glowy, rosy spring look for Easter brunch or any kind of bridal showers you might have going on this spring, or just a light spring glowy makeup look. So if you guys would like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. I want to do a glowy look today, so I'm going to start off with my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless filter in the shade 4.5 medium and use this as a glowy primer and base. Gives your skin just this instant glow and refreshing. I know it's an older product, but every time I use it, I'm still like in awe of the glow that you get and the hydration you get from it. All right, I'm gonna go in with my Simply Ageless Skin Perfector Essence in the shade 40 medium, and this one I just use my fingers for. It's like really like a serum, like a tinted serum almost, so I find that this is the best way to apply it. You would think that it was Christmas and not Easter now. We had a huge snowstorm this week. We were down to nothing. We were down to grass, and it was so nice. And then we just got a huge snowstorm and it's back to winter. For a little bit more warmth to the skin, I'm going in with the Soft Sculpt Transforming Skin Enhancer from Makeup by Mario. I have this in the shade light medium, and I just like using this rounded dome brush for that. And I'll just go in and start near the outer part of my face and then kind of blend in. Just in circular motion, just buffing it onto the skin. You can pat it into. All right, since we used the Simply Ageless Essence Skin whatever from CoverGirl, I'm gonna go in with the Simply Ageless Triple Action Concealer in the shade Buff Beige. I really like the cooling applicator on it. It really does kind of give you a little bit of depuffing around the eyes. This one I haven't used in a while, but I really like this one. It's light on the skin as well and just gives you a little bit of a dewy look again underneath the eye. I'm going to take my Makeup by Mario palette. I'm going to take the shade M6. So this is the Neutrals palette. It doesn't look as peachy as it does in person, but this one kind of has peachy undertone to it. And I'm just going to place that on top of the crease and in the crease. I'm going to go underneath the eye with this one as well and just use a squared off brush. I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand blush in the shade Rosy You Slay. And I'm just going to squirt some up on the applicator and just pat that on the upper part of my cheek with my finger. And then I'm going to take some of that blush and put it all over my lid. Now I'm going to go in with the highlighting wand, or the beauty wand, the highlighter, and this is in the shade Champagne from e.l.f. I'm going to put some on my finger, and I'm going to go back up on the top of my cheekbone with this. So I did the blush more on the apple of the cheek. Now I'm doing the highlighter more on top of the cheekbone and near the outer portion of my face. Then again, I'm going to go in with my finger and I'm just going to place that right in the center of my lid. Put some on the nose. You can go in with a little spritz of your favorite dewy setting spray. I'm going to use the CoverGirl Clean and Fresh Priming Glow Mist and just spray that all over the face to add more glow and just to set in the makeup. I got some mascara on. I put on a little bit of the Maybelline Lifter lip gloss in the shade Icy, and this is the final look, a super easy, rosy, glowy spring Easter look for Easter brunch or whatever you have going on. But yeah, I love how it came out. My skin is just radiant, and I love the monochromatic of the blush on the cheeks and the eyes. In person, it has a little bit more pop to it. I don't know why my camera always dulls down everything. Like, I love the color of my hair right now on camera. In person, it is a lot more warm. So, yes, if you guys would like, try this look out. Let me know what you think. And I hope you guys have a happy, healthy, and safe Easter weekend. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you guys again soon.